The University of British Columbia's Brock Commons student residence is an innovative 18-story hybrid wood structure and is the world's tallest mass timber-built building. SMT installed a total of 338 sensors throughout the building used to measure vertical compression of the wood superstructure, as well as moisture content and temperature throughout the building. Moisture was tracked during construction and now into the service life of the building. Real-time sensor data was reviewed using SMT's online analytical software tools. Construction sequencing decisions, as well as assurance that the building was enclosed in a dry state, were possible. The requirement to create an engaging tool that combines spatial awareness with real-time historical data was investigated. As a result, a visualization tool was designed in conjunction with the UBC Electrical and Computer Engineering capstone team. Download the appropriate zip file for your platform from the link in the description below. Unzip the file and run the executable. You will be prompted to select the screen resolution and graphics quality. If you find the software is slow or choppy, try lowering the resolution and graphics quality. Click play to start the software, and you'll be prompted with a start screen. You may then select load. Depending on your computer, this may take several seconds to a few minutes. You will then find yourself in the building in one of the rooms on the second level. To navigate, use the W, A, S, and D keys to move, and click and drag the mouse to look around. You can hold Shift to walk faster. If you select the SMT icon in the top left corner, it will bring up a map of your current floor and the locations of the data loggers. From this menu, you can warp to different floors and select specific sensors to graph. Select the SMT icon to collapse the map. Select the menu on the top right to toggle the building skin. The translucency mode allows you to see the wood structure of the building. Press toggle camera to switch between the internal and external views. The user can select up to 4 sensors and 2 sensor types from different locations to graph. Also, the map can be used to select sensors and warp to different floors where floor-to-floor comparisons are required. You can download this virtual tour of the UBC Tallwood House by visiting the link in the description below. For more information on monitoring solutions, visit smtresearch.ca.